Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn your own photo into a Squid Game animations transformations. It's completely free, quick and super fun. All you need is one free app and in just a few clicks you will get the iconic Squid Game look. Okay, let's jump right in. First, you will need the Dreamfast app. If you already have it, just great. You ready to go? If not, just head over to the Play Store and then search for Dream Face and then just download it. Once installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plan with weekly credits and a limited number of daily video generations. So you can do this without paying a cent. Now let's get to the fun part. Inside the app, just go to Magic Effects and then you will see lots of animation styles here. Just scroll down until you find Squid Game, this one. Just tap on it. Next, just select the photo that you want to transform. Make sure your face is clearly visible and well lit for the best result. You can use a selfie or a portrait. And then after selecting, just hit create. And okay, as you can see, your photo transformed into Squid Game character with a cool looks and complete with the signature styles and vibe. Honestly, it's super cool. And okay, that's it. Your own Squid Game animation transformations just done in a few steps. And okay, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.